I mean, this is kind of a masterpiece of its own, so you should see the full extent. And we dive deeper. Hello ho ho, and yeah, welcome back to Matplotlib, welcome back to Python. And yeah, today I don't really know if this is a final video regarding Matplotlib. It's a long time I made a video, had much to study, much work around, so yeah, I guess I'm back. Can't really tell if I can upload videos in a short frequency, but yeah, I try my best. And yeah, next topic is how to animate stuff. We already plotted, made wireframes, made certain types of diagrams, and now we want to animate stuff. And yeah, we don't really create animations like you animate, for example, a dog or yeah, an image. Instead, we are trying to find new ways to animate our graphs, our diagrams, automatically update them automatically. And yeah, next video will maybe be a little project, so yeah, let's start. Yeah, in our last video we made a wireframe. Let me show it for you. Here we go, this is a little wireframe, and yeah, what we want to do, we want to alter this wireframe, and first of all we want to add another wireframe. So we created certain arrays which are filled with alternate versions of the get tested data dates, which is a variety of data we can simply get by using this function, which which is kind of serving as our X, Y, and Z axis. And yeah, we want to plot two different, we want to plot two different wireframes. Again, if we are asking what am I doing here, we made a 3D wireframe, which is kind of simulating a surface. And yeah, now if we just run our script, we have two different wireframes, and it's kind of easy to tell which wireframe is what. So yeah, let's run it again with a different color, like this. Now we have a red wireframe and a green wireframe. Here you go. And yeah, the function we are kind of looking at today is the pause function, and it obviously does what it looks like, because if we type in pyplot.pause and using a double as an input, he will pause for 100 milliseconds. Yeah, pretty fast, so let's upgrade it to 1 second. Yeah, you see for 1 second there was only the red wireframe, and now we added the green one. And what we can do for I in range, let's say 10. Can say pause again. Can add our array into our loop. So we have a loop creating or altering our Y, X, and Z data every time we are kind of refreshing our data, because we are declaring our data in the loop, and we are pausing at 1 second. And let's do something like, let's import random for that. We don't need the numpy random for that. Let's use a regular random library, random point choice. Green, red, yellow. Let's do a black. And what can we do? Orange, I like orange, and blue. Now let's run our script. Okay, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Yeah. As you can see, he added then 10 different frames. Can zoom in. Looks kind of even more like an Eldritch Abomination. Yeah, 1 second. Let me show you. I mean, this is kind of a masterpiece of its own, so you should see the full extent. And we dive deeper and 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 deeper. Okay, yeah. So again, okay, so what we're gonna do next, we declare our wireframe as a variable, or equals, let's say our wireplot vp. So we still plot our, we still create our wireframe, place it in our system, in our coordinate system, animate it, and create it. But we're also declaring a variable, and now we can remove our variable with v.remove. And vp equals our new variable. It's important that we also declare a new variable, because at least in our second loop he will give us an error because there's nothing left to remove. So here we go. Now he will choose a random color and random coordinates like he's supposed to do, and 10 times. And because we want to do it infinitely, let's do a while truth loop. Let's run it again. And now we will do it infinitely. Or not. Maybe not. Okay, I thought he will do it over and over again, but he won't. Don't know why. By the way, I should the frame should be a little bit smaller, like this. Let me see what could be wrong here. And I'm just retarded. I forgot to do a while loop instead of a for loop. So let's do it again. Yeah, now he does it in a loop. Can see. Yeah, this is kind of cool in my opinion. Still, as a little side effect, the coordinates will get smaller, or the figure itself will get smaller each time, but it will take much time until we are until the system gets significantly small. So but we are already at 200. At some time we will be at 400, but I mean the y-axis you can see here where I met my cursor. Now he will always get higher and higher, but I think that's not now that much of a problem. And we can do this with any kind of data. I guess next time I will do some other frames, other kind of objects. I will do it with bars, lines, anything like that. We can you can be creative. You can try it with different. things, you just have to use this kind of code. There are many other functions, many other ways how to solve it, that it will, update itself infinitely. And I'm thinking about a project where you can just access data from, for example, using an API, and getting this data by using that API and updating your own frame. There are many possible ways. Next time we will have a little bit fun, I guess, with scatter and bars and stuff like this. Until that, see you. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. And I hope you had fun while watching this video. I have nothing more to say, but I hope you had wonderful Christmas time, wonderful New Year, and see you.